Because if you have no intention on doing that, then you might as well just keep drinking, dude. Well, you stop drinking. That's awesome. But sobriety didn't fix a goddamn thing. It may have stopped you from hurting yourself a little bit longer. I've worked with thousands of people and I go like, hey, what does your day-to-day regimen look like? Like, do you eat enough food? Do you breakfast, lunch, dinner? Are you eating at all? Like, what is your sleep? Not a single person I've ever met has it all dialed in. And it's no coincidence that every person that I've ever spoken to that has not just gotten sober, but gotten far beyond that, has it all dialed in. They focused on the biology. They focused on their nutrition. They focused on physically moving their body. They built muscle, dude. They actually set bedtimes to get real restorative rest. But when you are sober and things still suck, it's biology. It doesn't have much to do with the amount of damage that was caused from your 30 years of drinking alcohol. It was the 30 years of neglecting what your body was trying to get your attention with. Dude, your stomach hurts not because you're just poisoning yourself. Your stomach hurts because your gut microbiome is literally fucked. The bugs in your body, dude, you're sick. Your stomach is not operating the way it would normally would if you were a little bit healthier. So when we stop drinking, we go, oh my God, everything hurts. Yeah, your side hurts, bro. Not only did you injure yourself the other day from falling into that wall, but your organs have been swelling at the same time. Now they're pushing on your ribs, okay? Now it's getting your attention. You're not numb. That is the biology that's happening. That is the physical attributes that are supposed to get you to hydrate. It's supposed to get you to drink less, supposed to get you to move your body a little bit more. And so many people end up in the hospital, not because they have an addiction, not because they're dependent. Yes, it's because they've been practicing the alcoholic behavior, but guess what the doctors ordered first? Hydration. Hook them up to some IVs, give them some saline, make sure their body and their organs and their brain is completely hydrated before we start treating the symptoms that are caused by alcohol. Because a lot of the times, the symptoms that we're experiencing when we're drinking alcohol is malnutrition, dehydration, lack of sleep. Keep in mind, I was addicted to 30 to 50 shots of liquor every single day, man. I was a $10 bottle, right? That's all I needed. And I would sip it all day, every day, shot after shot. It was my food. It was my hydration, man. It was my calories. It was my energy. It was my best friend. It was absolutely everything. So my question to you is, are you practicing getting hella fucking healthy now that you're not drinking? Do you plan on focusing on your health when you stop? Because if you have no intention on doing that, then you might as well just keep drinking, dude.